Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Jarno and this channel is Charles Arts. Today I want to talk about interesting word, a little word, which is everywhere. This word you might hear everywhere, but it's sometimes hard to recognize. So what is the real meaning of it? What does it mean when somebody says ihan? What it is? It can be a little bit confusing, but I'm here to explain you some piece of it. Okay, yeah. First of all, this is quite nice example. For example, somebody says to you like, what do you think? What do you think? Is this nice? Is this nice? What do you think? Suits me very well. And then you say like, ihan hyvä, ihan hyvä. You know, you can say like ihan. You drop the n. Ihan hyvä or ihan hyvä. Ihan hyvä, ihan hyvä. And how you stress the word, you can say it like positive or negative way, or just statement in a way. You know, you can say like, joo, se on ihan hyvä. Or you can say like, joo, ihan hyvä. So it changed the meaning, this ihan. So if you say just hyvä, it's just hyvä. But if you say ihan hyvä, you know, it's a little bit different. And same way, if you say like ihan varmasti, like you say something is, you know, true, some kind of thing gonna happen, like tomorrow the weather gonna be really bad, so you can say like kind of statement like the weather, sää on huono ihan varmasti. Sää on huono ihan varmasti. Ihan varmasti huomenna sataa. Ihan varmasti huomenna sataa. Or you can say like kind of positive, kind of you predict that something good gonna happen. You can say like ihan varmasti aurinko paistaa. Like ihan varmasti, kind of enthusiasm, kind of, you know, excitement there. Like ihan varmasti huomenna paistaa aurinko. Mennään rannalle. Like ihan varmasti paistaa aurinko. It's in different kind of levels. Like it can be like statement, then it can be like something positive, and then something negative. You can say, for example, your friend comes to you like, hey, I will get the raise, you know, I get more money. And your friend kind of know the situation, what's going to happen in a company, for example. And your friend can be like, ihan varmasti. Kind of, you know, a little bit negative, like ihan varmasti, yo, kind of, you know, doesn't believe it. It's not gonna happen. Or your friend comes and says same things like, I will get the raise, you know, yeah, I get more money. And then you can be like, or your friend can be like, ihan varmasti, it's gonna happen, ihan varmasti. So it's more than word. It's kind of, you know, feeling behind the word in a way, how we use it in spoken language. You know, it's just not a word in the text. It's like something, you know, you have to kind of see and you have to explore, and you kind of have to be exposed this action in a way when you start learning ihan. But like many times, ihan can be understood wrongly. When I say, and for example, my wife says to me like, do you like this? Do you like this? Is this good? You know, we are going out or something, like, should I change this shirt or should I? Or something like that. Then I said like, ihan hyvä, kind of statement, ihan hyvä. And then she is like, ihan hyvä, ihan hyvä. Mitä? And then I have to say, se on ihan hyvä, se on ihan hyvä, se on ihan hyvä. So it can be a little bit kind of mind game also. You know, you can say ihan varmasti, like ihan varmasti. Joo, ihan varmasti sä saat palkankorotuksen. Like ihan varmasti you're gonna get a raise. Yeah. Okay, little video for you about ihan-word. And in this series, Street Finnish, this is only spoken, kind of spoken, I emphasize spoken language, and it's different than talked at school. But ihan is word that it's used, I think everywhere. So if you use ihan, I think using that and understanding, you know, these emotions and is it the statement kind of, or is it like a little bit negative, or is it like positive, or is excitement there? If you like these kind of videos, please like. If you wanna subscribe, please subscribe. And if you have some kind of example of ihan and you have maybe heard this word ihan and you've been like, now I didn't get it. So please tell me my story. Okay, have a nice day and moi moi.